He said, you are full of shit. So you've been eating it. What do you eat? I eat eggs, chicken, hogs, cows, lamb, everything, because this is what I have been trained to eat. He said, well, it's been hurting you. I'm impotent. At 30, I'm impotent. The last woman that I tried to make love with was Audrey. What's wrong with you? I said, I don't know. The doctor, the urologist in California, he was playing his games. This Mexican came and said to me, stop eating. Stop eating. I said, how long, a day? He said, no. At least 90 days. I said, you out of your mind. He said, I may be out of my mind, but I'm 94. But you are full of shit. He gave me these herbs. I went home. I took them as prescribed. I had problems. I had a problem on the fourth day. I didn't eat anything. Herbs, water, and juice. Herb, water, and juice. But then, on about the seventh day, I began to feel like, wow, God, I will never eat again.